I left my front door unlocked for 24 hours to see if SimpliSafe would catch anything. I armed SimpliSafe in away mode and left all locks physically open to simulate risk. All sensors and cameras stayed active, recording motion, door events, and video around the clock. I tracked every alert and clip on my phone with timestamp footage and live notifications. Neighbors walked by, packages were dropped off, and the house stayed unlocked the whole time. 24 hours later, here's what the footage and alerts actually showed. SimpliSafe sent 2 instant alerts: motion in the living room and activity at the front door. The camera footage showed a delivery and a neighbor checking a package, no break-in or forced entry. A late-night motion event was triggered by a porch light and was labeled a false alarm after live verification. Importantly, sensors recorded 0 signs of forced entry and no suspicious behavior escalated. Bottom line, even with the door unlocked, SimpliSafe caught activity and alerted me immediately, preventing uncertainty. If you want real peace of mind, try SimpliSafe for trusted detection, instant alerts, and dependable reliability.